back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. I'm about to start packing my husband's care package for the holidays, and I wanted to share with you guys what I'm packing, how I'm packing it, because it's Christmas and I kind of want to decorate it a little bit so it's like a present, and also share some information on how you can get free packing materials down to the tape from USPS, which is the United States Postal Service. So I have all my free goodies that I got from USPS. But if you go on the USPS website and you type up military care kit, it'll come up and you can order this for free. It comes to your house in like 2 to 3 business days. In total, it will come with 6 boxes, a roll of priority mail tape, 6 priority mail address labels, and 6 customs forms envelopes. And then you are also able to order other boxes if you need. Like I ordered these 2 extra large flat rate boxes and they were also free. So yeah, if you didn't know, that's something that you can do now, you know, and you have that resource. I think I learned this from like a deployment brief that we had a few months ago, but I'm about to start packing my husband's box. I'm really excited. I think I have everything that I need. I also am about to bake cookies so I can send him like a homemade something, and hopefully they taste fresh when he gets them. I really don't know how long it will take, and I don't know how much it's gonna cost to ship it, so I will share that information by the end of this video. So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna end up using these 2 large boxes because I've kind of been collecting a lot of stuff, and I'm not gonna show you everything I'm gonna pack because I don't know if he's gonna watch this video, and I want it to be somewhat of a Christmas present, so I don't want him to see what he's gonna get. But anyway, let's get to taping up this box so we can start stuffing it. I hate when you lose the tape edge. But also on the USPS website, there's a bunch of information on things you can and cannot ship to service members overseas. So I would read that and make sure you're not sending anything you're not allowed to. Okay, so for the inside, because it is Christmas time, I want to put some like wrapping paper, so it's like he's opening a present. Obviously you can't really wrap up the outside of the box, but we're gonna decorate the inside. Not anything crazy. I just bought some tissue paper. I'm just gonna cut some of this tissue paper and put it on all the little corners of the box. I got my own tape for this part because I don't want to waste the priority mail tape, but this is just gift wrap tape, and I'm just gonna make a loop so it's like almost like double-sided tape. Put it on the box, and then put the tissue paper on top. Okay, this is what the boxes are looking like so far. This one has the Merry Christmas tissue with red, and this one says fa la 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 with green. Do not judge my decorating skills. I really just wanted to bring some kind of holiday cheer to the box, okay? I've been collecting things for these boxes over the past few weeks. I have some random stuff, and then he did ask me for specific things like a drawing book. So I ended up getting him this little sketchbook, but I put a little drawing of me and baby's hand. It's so cute. But anyway, I got that for him, as well as like all the pencils and colored pencils to go with it. So this is gonna go in one of the boxes. Oh my god, the book is barely fits in there actually. But we got like the coloring pencils and then the regular drawing pencils. Yeah, the book barely fits in there. I wish they had like extra large boxes to ship. And I'm not sure how it works if you use your own boxes. So I just wanted to stick with like actual USPS boxes to make sure, I don't know, make sure I could send everything that I wanted, and also hopefully it doesn't cost too much. I really don't know how much I'm about to spend. I'm gonna try to ship them tomorrow and I'll let you guys know. I also got some little boot socks because I feel like you can never have enough, especially when you're out training and they just get super gross. So we're gonna add those in there. And I got a bunch of candy because you think I have a sweet tooth? You have not met this man. Has like the biggest sweet tooth ever, but it's basically like all holiday themed candy, a little Ferrero Rocher wrapped in a gift box. He is so disgusting and likes Peeps. Yes, I don't know how I married this man. Disgusting. But they're like Christmas tree Peeps, nerds, Christmas colored, snowman Peeps. Oh, he loves these little Kinder Joy candies. And that's all I got for candy, so I'm gonna put that in this box. My niece wrote him a letter that I'm gonna include. And I think that's it for this box. I'm like, wait, I feel like there was so much more stuff. And then this second box is gonna be stuff that he doesn't know that I got him. So we're just gonna speed through this really quick. I ordered some stuff. We'll do it quick. If you see it, you see it. This will be the test to let you know if he watches every single one of my videos, actually. There. This thing. Oh yeah, I don't know if this will fit. Perfect. Okay. So both the boxes are packed, but I almost forgot that I wanted to add the cookies, which I still have to bake. So I guess they can fit in this box and then that'll be it. But I definitely want to let them cool before I pack them up. So let's go to the kitchen and go start baking. Here's the cookie batter. I made it this morning. It's just chocolate chip as requested. I'm going to go ahead and put it on my baking sheet. Parchment paper. I see this as a little hack to get your parchment paper to lay flat is to crumble it up first. It's been chilling in the fridge for like 5-6 hours now, so it's a really good consistency. Next day, I'm finally about to pack up these cookies. I made 4 different batches before I had a good batch. Like, these are edible, but they were not making the cut. These, look how good these look. They're soft and chewy and they're so delicious. But I'm going to be individually wrapping them in saran wrap, and then I'm also going to put them in these little goodie bags I got from the Dollar Tree. Hopefully wrapping them individually will help keep them fresh for longer. Putting the cookies in the box, just praying that they don't get all smushed together and that they taste somewhat fresh. Okay, so it's time to tape these up finally, but I wanted to show you guys something. So when you use the boxes that come in the military care kit, it'll come with this little address label thing that's really helpful. So it'll have a space for service member's full name, rank or rating, the military organization or unit, and then their APO/FPO address, which is really helpful because it's just already on there, and this is all the information you're going to need to send to an overseas address. I originally was using the other large flat rate boxes that didn't have this information, but I switched everything to these just to make sure that it's good to ship to an APO or FPO address. And then I'm going to fill out his address right here. Also, these labels came in the military care kit, and this is the place where you can put your return address. And then this is the customs forms envelope, but I don't actually have the customs forms. We're gonna do that part when we get there. I just left the post office and I only paid $48 to ship both of the boxes. I highly recommend that you use the USPS boxes, because if you use any other boxes, you're gonna be paying a lot more money. And also because you are shipping to an FPO or AP address, your cost to ship is gonna be so much cheaper than if you're just shipping like regular internationally. The starting price to ship a large flat rate box internationally besides Canada is $82, I think, which is crazy. So, and that's starting price. So they really do give you a good discount, because 2 boxes shipping FPO only $48. Also, I filled out my customs forms in there, which was pretty self-explanatory and easy, but the guy was super helpful anyway. And also, it's going to take 6 to 10 business days for it to arrive, which is way shorter than I thought it was going to be. So hopefully everything is good in there. But that is going to be the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope it was helpful in some way, or that you just enjoyed watching, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see see you guys in my next video.